Hey, hi there, friends. How are you all doing? I would like to give you three practical tips today on spoken communication. Now, when we talk of spoken communications, the first thing to remember is tone of your voice or the tonality. For example, when it is a physical conversation taking place, physical meaning it is a face-to-face conversation taking place. You could be meeting a friend, you suddenly meet a friend and you are very happy and you show your emotions and you are excited and you say, hey, how are you? Or hi, how are you doing? Here you are showing your emotions and your happiness, your joy through the tone of your voice. However, when you meet someone in a professional situation, it could be a workplace, then you would say hello or hi, how are you doing? There is a difference here that your tone would be more courteous, assertive, and polite. To remember is the tone and the tonality of your voice when conversing with somebody. And the second tip for spoken communication is when the conversation is not taking place physically, that is, it is not face to face. For example, it could be a phone conversation, a telephonic conversation. Here, you must remember that certain principles of etiquette need to be followed, whether it is a professional call, whether it is a social or a personal call. For example, there has to be a greeting and a closing. So, greeting could be anything. It could be hi, hello, depending on the kind of rapport you have with the person. A good morning, a good afternoon, or even a namaste, depending on the cultural context. And similarly, the closing would be, it was a pleasure talking to you, and this was very helpful. Thank you for your time. So all these little principles of etiquette just goes to show, it just reflects on your well-groomed personality. Now, the third tip, which I feel is a very important tip to follow, is please read. Yes, I repeat, you must develop the reading habit. Now, you would ask, what does reading got to do with spoken communication? Lots. I cannot stress enough that reading has a lot to do with spoken communication. The more you read, the more knowledge you gain, the better your vocabulary is, the better your expressions are, and the better you can relate to the other person. Incorporate this reading habit into your daily life to improve your spoken communication. So these were three easy and practical tips on how to ace your talk and how to take your conversations to a next level. And next time we'll talk about written communication. So go on, till then, keep creating lasting impressions. Bye bye.